Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be giving you a review about Windscribe VPN. So is it really worth your money? Let's just find out. So first of all, if we dive right into the platform windscribe.com, you will be able to see that we have some options at the top in the features, and you can see basically these are the general features that offer. So you can see we have servers in over 69 countries and 134 cities, right? So basically, for a VPN to work smoothly, you're going to be requiring, of course, a lot of servers in different countries. So these servers doesn't, I think, in my personal opinion, because I use a lot of VPN, like for example ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and they have a lot of servers, and by a lot I mean thousands of servers in different countries. So that combines together and make the VPN work really fast in really less amount of time. So the response and feedback time is really low. Now you can see the Robert. This is basically the model that blocks IPs and domains and ads of your choice. We also have many other different features, like for example static IPs. So if you are facing fluctuations of IP, then you can simply protect that using this option, and we have many other options as well. So in terms of different type of features, it offers a lot, but there is no different option for streaming services. Like for example, if you are looking the VPN for specifically unblocking streaming sites, like for example Netflix, and you can say like and maybe Amazon Prime, then it does not offer that type of feature. So overall, if you also jump onto the plan section for the pricing, you can see it starts with around yearly plan. It also offers a $0 monthly free plan. So yeah, now it is actually pretty decent with the pricing, but we cannot say that it is cheap. It is just like how the others are going to be costing you, and also they are well reputed in the market. And yeah, so the choice is yours if you are looking for a couple of features, and you can opt with Windscribe. So yeah, that was my quick review about Windscribe VPN, and if this was helpful, you can consider subscribing to our channel and stay tuned for more.